Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Russian for Everybody. Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Добро пожаловать на мой YouTube канал Russian for Everybody. And today we are going to know the difference between two Russian words ничего and нечего, which both mean absolutely the same. They mean nothing in English. So let's find out the difference between these two words. So, ничего или нечего. So, first two differences in spelling and pronunciation. Pay attention that they differ only in their spelling. First word I write like ничего with letter E, and the second word I write with the letter E, нечего. And of course, the difference of these words is in their pronunciation. So the word which we write with letter E, I pronounce like ничего, and the accent falls on the ending O. And the word with letter E, I pronounce with the stressed letter E, нечего. Okay, so what's the difference in their meaning and usage? The word ничего is used to reinforce the negation expressed by a verb with particle не, negative particle не, which means not. Давайте посмотрим примеры. Let's look at the examples. Мой друг ничего не сказал. My friend didn't say anything. So we always use не with ничего. Мой друг ничего не сказал. Она ничего не ест. She didn't eat anything. Мы ничего не делаем. So we can't miss negative particle не. We always use it with ничего. And the word нечего is used to emphasize that an action is not possible under any circumstances. Примеры, examples. Мне нечего сказать, which means I have nothing to say because I don't want or maybe I don't know what to say. Ей нечего есть, compared with она ничего не ест. Ей нечего есть means that she has nothing to eat as she has no money to buy food. And the last example here, нам нечего делать. We have nothing to do. It means that we've done all deadlines and now we can rest. Pay attention on the difference between grammatical structures between ничего and нечего. The subject with ничего is normally used in nominative case. So I use here мой друг, она ничего, or мы. And with нечего, we use the subject in the Russian dative case, like мне нечего сказать, ей нечего есть, и нам нечего делать. So as you see, they have many differences. We have a difference in spelling, we have difference in pronunciation, we have differences in their meaning, and even we have differences in the usage of grammatical cases. I hope that it's clear. And now I want to show you the meanings of the word ничего, because the meaning nothing is not only unique and only one its meaning. So the word ничего, as I already told you, the main meaning of this word is nothing or anything. Like я ничего не хочу и ничего не случилось. So я ничего не хочу, I don't want anything, и ничего не случилось, nothing happened. It's a main and typical meaning of this word. And in this meaning, ничего always goes with Russian negative particle не, which means not. Okay. The second meaning of ничего is that's okay. Also, we can use the phrase like ничего страшного, like nothing scary. This word we normally use when someone says apologizes for you and say sorry, like извините, ничего. It means that okay, don't worry, never mind. So don't mention it. Ничего or ничего страшного. It's absolutely the same. And the last meaning of ничего is not bad. Like, как дела? How are you? And it's very typical for many Russians to say ничего. So it's normal, okay, not bad. Or у нее хорошее платье и туфли тоже ничего. Means that she has a good dress and her shoes are also not bad. Okay, I hope that everything was clear. If you have any questions, please write me in comments. I of course will answer them. Please write me your own examples of ничего and нечего. And if you liked my lesson, please put a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to send me, you can make a donation by the link given in the description box. Большое вам спасибо and see you next time. До встречи и пока-пока!